Hey photo enthusiasts! Ready to take your Christmas pics to the next level? Today, unveil the secrets of photography techniques with us and try to capture the most wonderful moments of Christmas. First, open the camera app. If you're taking pics outside at night, don't forget to turn on night mode. Vivo will automatically adjust the lighting for the best possible shot. So go ahead, capture those magical moments and let Vivo do the rest. Just zoom in and position your subject in the lines following the rule of thirds. Simply tap on the subject to focus and snap the shot. It's that easy. If you're not sure about picture composition, don't worry. You can tap the settings at the top right corner to activate grid lines. Then, position the subject in any 4 grids on right or left side. Finally, tap the subject to focus on it and then take a picture. When taking even more amazing Christmas pics, just swipe left until you reach the end and activate Vivo's Professional mode. This mode gives you more control over your pics, so you can adjust the settings to your liking. Position the subjects in the 4 grids at the bottom right corner. Then, adjust the Sensibility Ordinance (ISO) manually to make the picture more harmonious in brightness. Moreover, you can control the amount of light entering the camera by adjusting the shutter speed (S) manually to make your Christmas picture of static scenes sweeter and prettier. When taking a picture of Santa Claus outdoors, you can use the WB adjustment in Pro mode to suit the scene that you're shooting in. Adjust the warm or cool color tone of the picture correspondingly to make more stunning Christmas pictures. With these expert tricks and techniques, you can capture the most exquisite Christmas shots and make your holiday memories last a lifetime. And last, but definitely not least, we wish you a very Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful time with your loved ones, and don't forget to snap some amazing pics to remember the memories.